Hello, Cleveland, and welcome to your daily TA. Let's get into the charts. Okay. Still not looking good. Well, not looking good if you're a bull. If you're a bear, I mean, it's looking great for you. But if you're a bull, it ain't looking too good. So let's see what we're working with. We're going to stick on the 90-minute chart. We were looking at this bear flag forming on the 90-minute chart. We will... let's get rid of this Fibonacci retracement just to clear up a little room here on the chart, make it more visible. What are we looking at? Well, let's expand this bear flag. It would have been more like so. And as you can see, the bear flag is getting its lower bound taken out. The lower bound is being taken out. And so what was the measured move of that flag? Let's bring this back over to y'all. And the measured move of that flag would have been 91,189. So let's see if price action goes down to 91,189 today. There's a good chance that it will. More of a chance that it will than it won't. But the bulls do seem like they could maybe, well, they did a minute ago when I was looking at this, but now it's dumping again. It's just started like right now. Ha, awesome. But yeah, there goes the 94K support level. And, well, that's been lost. If the bulls can't, in the next, how long is this candle left? We got 90 minutes-ish left. So if in 90 minutes, under 90 minutes, the bulls can't bring this candle back up over 94, then expect that further downside down to $91,000. Yeah, it's a bitch, but hey, it happens sometimes. Let's quickly look at the 22-minute chart because I was seeing a... Come on. There it goes. I was seeing a bit of a divergence there between RSI and price as price action was putting in higher lows for a second there. Yeah, price action was putting in higher lows for a second there while RSI was putting in lower lows, but now they're no longer doing that. So that divergence from the 22 that I was just seeing a minute ago before I started recording, not there anymore. So yeah, the bears really are in control here, man. If the bulls do bounce, though, if they do find the strength to pull through, then where do they need to get over? They need to get over this red line, this local resistance here at roughly 95,200. Even a little bit higher, closer to 95.3, 95.4, something like that. That red line, they need to get up and over this here red line. If they can, great. Then we'll look for, hopefully to break this blue line. I'm gonna turn you red as well, because here's another, local resistance that we need to break up and over before we can say that the bulls are back in control. Now, if they get over this first one, this 95.3, I'm gonna turn this one around. But yeah, if they can get over that 95.3 level and then we see a turnaround, then we're watching for another higher low and then to break 97, 97.6, we'll say 97.7. We'll say 97.777 just for fun. But yeah, so if it comes up, can break both of these resistances, then yeah, the bulls might have a chance of getting back up to 99.6 again and testing that resistance again. However, like we've been looking, bear flag, 90-minute chart, indicators stuck at 0 on the stochastics. RSI is down in oversold territory, but there is no divergences. There's no bullish divergences going on here, none whatsoever. Nothing is indicating that the reversal is happening. Sorry, but it's just not showing me that. All right. But yeah, so downwards ho. Downwards ho. So yeah, watch for that 91 186 level for a bounce around 91. If that bounce does not happen, that's close to this 89 8 90,000 support as well. Hopefully that can the bulls can find support there and push back up. I am bearish on the short term. I think over the next week, maybe 2, maybe 3, could be a month. I don't know. I don't know how long this will be, but there is a consolidation going on right now. We are seeing a consolidation. We're seeing people selling off and taking some profits, and I guess waiting for better prices to buy back in. I don't think that this whole bull cycle is over quite yet. We've gone over different reasons why I think that. Mainly the positioning of the RSI on the daily or higher charts in relation to where they were during the last run-up and how those look compared to them. So like, where was it? It was here. Okay, so this last run-up, we've shown this before. I've shown you this before where it ran up, price did, but RSI came down. And then here you'll see we're starting to run up, and RSI is starting to come down. Right now it's at what? It's at 43. Okay, 43. Where was it at 43 here? Got to 43. Roughly here, came down here, and price action went higher. Touched it there, price action went higher. Fell down here, then price action went higher, fell down here, then price action went higher, then it stopped. But the last peak after the peak in April of 2021, the peak in April of 2021, the RSI peaked out around 60. So let's take a quick peek here at, I keep saying the word peak. Let's take a quick look at the RSI here for the peak, 70, if that was our peak. If that was our peak. But I think there's still another one coming. Yeah, we're seeing another lower one here. So, you never know. You never know. That could have been the bull run and everything could be over and we could be going into a bear cycle and not even know it now. I just don't think so. Historically, December has been near peaks before. The last cycle peaked out in November. The 2016 cycle peaked out in December. 2017 cycle peaked out in December. Will the 2024 cycle peak out in December? Maybe. I don't know. I think it's still coming up, but that's just my opinion. And I mean, I've shown you my evidence on the charts, but there's also evidence suggesting that, maybe this is. The daily indicators don't look good. Anyway, I'm still more bullish long term. I think we'll see another peak sometime around March or April of this year. Whether or not it comes and creates a new all-time high, that's the question. Most people think it will. I'm one of those people. But I'm also open to the fact that I don't know anything for sure. And if anybody's telling you that they do, they're lying. But yeah, so watch out for 91. If not 91, 85. If not 85, 77. There is this W on the could form on the daily chart still. However, the indicators are all looking bearish. Anyway, that's about all I got for you then. I'm bearish. Short term. That's what I said. There's nothing else I can do about it. Whap, whap, whap. I wish I wasn't. I wish I didn't have to be bearish right now. I wish I could be bullish all the time and the price could always go up, but it just can't. It just cannot. You gotta prepare yourself for those moments. I've been taking some profits for several weeks. Slowly, been taking profits. I might bring my 1% of weekly withdrawals up to 2%. And why am I doing such a small amount? Because I still think there's another peak coming. All right. That's all I got for you guys. Much love. Peace out. See you later.